Hey, it's Gabriel Brown here, and I have another credit tip for you today. Let's discuss your demand deposit activity, okay? It's called your DDA. The demand deposit activity is a banking activity report that shows all your deposits, okay? All your deposit activity. The creditors will demand this information from the credit bureaus. Yes, this comes from the credit bureaus, okay? So I know TransUnion provides demand deposit activity to creditors that request this information. Now this will show how much money you're depositing into your bank account on a regular basis, okay? That's what it is. And if you're not depositing a lot of money and the creditor that you're applying, let's say you're applying for a personal loan, right? Personal loan companies really want to know how much debt to income, your debt to income is. If it's more than 43%, 43% is like the industry standard. You want to keep your debt to income less than 43%. What that means is your total monthly debts, all of the monthly payments that you make totaled up across the month, okay? So that's your gross monthly debt payments, all right? And you want to divide that by your monthly income. Okay, so your gross monthly payments, the total of all of them across your 30-day period, divided by your gross monthly income will give you your debt to income. If that's over 43%, that's a problem, okay? If it's under 43%, okay, that's not a problem so much. But if your demand deposit activity shows that all of the money you deposit into your account, you're taking it out, 100% of it, and you don't have any reserves or any savings, then that could negatively impact you getting approved for a loan, even though you have a great credit score, been on your job for multiple years, okay, and have good credit references, okay? So know your demand deposit activity is being provided specifically by TransUnion and learn what they're saying about you in that report.